Instagram stories for business. Are you a business owner that wants to attract traffic from Instagram to your business? This video will help you start conversations, get leads, and ultimately get customers to your business. Are you interested? Then make sure you like this video, or else your favorite series will be over one season sooner. Ain't that a tragedy? And if you are interested in growing your business, who isn't, and want to grow on Instagram, make sure you also click the subscribe button with bell notifications on. Roll the intro. In this video, you will learn everything that you need to know about Instagram stories for business. This will be a step-by-step tutorial that will walk you through everything there is to know from a beginner to a professional Instagram stories poster. So make sure you stick until the end, because you want to learn all the key principles, the foundation of the Instagram algorithm that can help you start conversations that can lead to sales. First of all, what are Instagram stories? You have posts. Why shouldn't you use posts? Posts are way easier, right? You use hashtags. Most of the content you would see on the Instagram Explore page is actually posts. Instagram stories are 15-second slides. Each Instagram stories is 15 seconds. If you have a 60-second Instagram video that you want to upload on your stories, it will be divided into 4 stories or 4 slides. You might have heard, and if you haven't, I'll fill you in on everything you need to know. Instagram's content is not presented in a chronological order. Meaning, the content that was posted most recently is not likely to be shown on top. Then, what is shown on top, you might ask? And if you didn't, I'll answer. What's shown on top of a person's feed is the content that he's most likely to engage with. Meaning content that has a lot of likes, a lot of comments, or from someone that he had a lot of conversations with. But there is a catch, there is a plot twist that we'll exploit, and that is Instagram stories. So if you go on Instagram with me right now, you can see different stories of people I'm following. There's a bunch of people. Some are my followers, some friends, some are clients, some are influencers I look up to, but I hate this word, influencers. Influencers. As you can see on my feed, I have feed posts at the beginning, some sponsor posts, of course, Bluehost, blah blah blah. But on top you have these red circles. They are called stories. And if you actually click this button, the camera button, a story option pulls up. Hey. So, okay, you have Instagram stories, but what Instagram stories should you post? What ideas can you have? Well, you can post polls, quizzes, trivia, testimonials, social proof, behind the scenes, questions, and I'll help you get all of that, and I'll show you examples of all of this right now. Let's start with posts. Let's say that you are in the real estate niche. You can say something like, I'll use a filter that I have, and I can say, I know you followed me because you are interested in real estate, but do you want to learn more about renting out properties or investing in real estate indexes or funds? So I'll just add a poll and I say, I am interested in real estate properties or real estate funds. So based on that, what you can do is actually click on your story and it will be published. How can you get clients from just making a poll? For example, if you are a proper real estate property manager, you can go see everyone that voted on poll option A or B and start a conversation, maybe a copy-paste message that you can save on your notes or on your quick replies, and just start conversations based on that. A sales pitch. If you have a business, you probably have a sales pitch. Write the best sales pitch you have for poll option number A and B. So what kind of quizzes can you do? If we actually use the same piece of content right now, we can actually make a quiz out of it. For example, if it's in the real estate niche and we want to start a conversation, we gotta make something that not a lot of people know. For example, if you have pieces of content on a regular basis and you nurture your audience to know some stuff, you can ask questions around them. For example, quiz. The best real estate investment is option 1, blah blah blah, number 2 be you, and number C, and option C, yo, right? And one of these is right, some are wrong. You choose which is the right one, and based, and you can even change the color and stuff like that to match your room. I think orange, yeah, orange looks good. And what you can do here is based on their reply, whether it's the correct answer or a wrong answer, you can again make a copy-paste message that you can send to the right messages and to the wrong answers, and start conversations along that. If you have a lead magnet like a PDF, an infographic on basic rules of real estate investing, you can say, well, give me your email or click this link and I'll sign you up for my email list, and then you can nurture them to become paying customer. Another thing that you can do, a content idea for Instagram stories for businesses, is actually trivia. So what you can do is just copy facts from Google, trivia facts, and I'll show you a way to actually make them more interesting. For that, I'll actually use an app called Mojo. So what I like to do is when I create trivia and I have the paid version of Mojo, there's a lot of options that you can use in the free version, but since I have some clients, I'd rather use the paid one. So what I do is I copy a real estate fact. For example, I would add some text, and you can do it for any niche. I'm just giving you examples. You can apply it in your niche. For example, test, I can use a VHS effect and say real estate makes money. A fact, a well-known fact. And what you can do to spice it up is maybe change the background a little bit, maybe something like this, or we can add some music, decrease or increase the duration, and just save and upload this story. Real estate makes money, we'll go ahead, save that, and we can upload it. This can really help you out make Instagram stories super quickly, and you need Instagram stories throughout your day. I would actually suggest having 4 at minimum, so that might be a good fit. Another really good example, especially for photographers and for songwriters, musicians and so on, is to have behind the scenes type of content, even for videographers, because your production quality is very expensive and you can't just have stories of expensive dinners and maybe you don't really feel like it. A great idea is to actually take as much footage as you can when you go ahead and do the production of your next movie, of your next song, even the layers you have on the music creation app you have. This process, the funny moments, the bad moments, the sad moments, even the breakdowns, I actually use the breakdowns for some of my clients. We try to capture everything. When I have a client, when she's on tour, I ask her to capture the breakdowns. After a while we can use to create different pieces of content and behind the scenes footage. You never know when you need those, right? Even a good music video like Ed Sheeran photograph style with the journey from zero to hero, you can use all this footage, behind the scenes footage, really easy footage. For example, right now what I can do as behind the scenes footage would be something like, hello, look at that, we're cleaning the room and I'm trying to record a video. One very important tip that I gotta tell you is when you're recording and you have a lot of important things to say, is you gotta put the sound on or something to alert people that you have sound on. And the basic principle is don't say it, show it. So if you're talking about an object, wrong. If you're gonna talk about it, talk for 5 seconds to capture the person's attention and then show it. Don't say it, show it. Basic principle. Photography, videography, I'm pretty sure it's a basic principle. It is in business and it is in capturing as much retention as possible from your viewer. More ideas. Testimonials and product offers. Testimonials, clients. If you have clients, you can use the same format and paste some testimonials, screenshot them from your website. If you have a Shopify store, maybe you have the view set it automatically from Oberwo or whatever the AliExpress provider. Product offers, obviously if you have a flash sale, something is in stock, something went out of stock, you can use all of this to create great Instagram stories. If you have above 10,000 followers, you can actually use the swipe up feature. If you do not have above 10,000 followers, you can check the video in the cards above on how you can do the swipe up feature on Instagram without having 10,000 followers. How cool is that? So yeah, make sure you experiment. Start early, ugly. That's a good tip. Don't hesitate to make mistakes, especially when you're starting out. And when it comes to starting out, we gotta say that a little bit of a push when you're starting out can really help out. So in this series, I want to give back to the community. The shout out rules. If you want to be shouted out in one of the next episodes, make sure you comment down below something that you've learned from this video, or maybe even your favorite color or what your YouTube channel or Instagram account is about, so I can shout you out in one of the next episodes. The shout out winner for today is actually Hayes Animated, and he says, I am here dog. He commented first and he said, my day was good. I really want to see where those hashtags you gave me take me. And why is that? And why am I shouting him out? Well, the dude is running a meme page, an Instagram meme page, and he's getting a few thousand likes right now, and he asked me to send him some hashtags from Flippa because he didn't have the funds to purchase it right now. So if you need help with your Instagram account or need an Instagram audit for free, comment down below and let's see if I can help you out for free. And remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. But this is no medical advice, this is no financial advice, don't sue me bro. But by the end of this video, make sure you check this video that was graciously presented to you by the YouTube algorithm that knows everything that you're doing when no one else is watching, or make sure you watch this video that I chose for you. Bye.